In this video we will talk about get paid to watch Netflix in 5 ways. So make sure to watch the full video. Hi guys! Welcome to a new video from Time to Invest. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe our channel. You can absolutely get paid if you, like me, spend most of your leisure time watching Netflix. Get paid to watch Netflix this 2022. Yes, you may be paid for some or all of the time you spend binge watching Netflix. You get paid while having fun. This article explains how it works in detail. The truth is that there are so many ways to make money watching Netflix. I know you're surprised, but believe me, this is real. It specifically demonstrates a simple and effective method for getting paid to watch Netflix for free in 2022. Even if there are no particular official Netflix job offers or vacancies available, this special method will nonetheless get you compensated. And don't worry, this isn't one of those phony schemes that promise to make you money, but only end up costing you money and time. This is completely legitimate and will allow you to earn some extra cash while watching Netflix. It could very well be the next big thing in Netflix and chill entertainment. How to get paid to watch Netflix? Get paid to watch Netflix officially. First and foremost, it is true that you can be paid by Netflix for watching movies and TV shows. Netflix does, in fact, pay people to tag programs for them. They hire fans of their shows to assist them in tagging portions of their content. These people are paid to do what they enjoy, binge-watching TV shows, movies, and documentaries. The most common colloquial term for Netflix taggers is editorial analysts or creative analysts. These editorial analysts, creative analysts, or taggers work by watching a lot of Netflix content and then tagging each film and episode with the required metadata. This is one of the ways Netflix gathers useful information about some of the series or movies you view if you didn't already know. Swagbucks will pay you for binge-watching Netflix. Swagbucks is another way to make money online while watching Netflix movies. When you join Swagbucks, you may earn money by viewing movies on Netflix. This isn't another get-rich-quick scam, to be sure. You don't have to spend anything to join Swagbucks. All you have to do is register using an email address. Swagbucks, on the other hand, offers a $5 welcome incentive when you complete your sign-up. Swagbucks is a website that rewards users for performing small tasks such as reviewing short films. It is possible to earn money with Swagbucks by using the app while watching movies or television shows on Netflix. You may make money from Swagbucks while watching your favorite Netflix movies in this manner. Also, you may watch entertaining videos on Swagbucks that earn you money while you watch what you want. Visit the link below to learn more about Swagbucks and to sign up. Get paid by Netflix by using MyPoints. People that watch videos with MyPoints are also compensated. Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and other similar services follow the same business concept. The way it works with them is that instead of watching individual videos, you gain points by watching playlists. You simply begin the playlist and receive your points once it is completed. Of course, you can pause or stop it at any time, but in order to get points, the playlist must continue to play until it is finished. You can watch videos on their website using your desktop or laptop computer. You are not left out either if you are a smartphone user. You may get rewarded for watching films on your smartphone or tablet by downloading their exclusive MyPoints TV app. Their app is accessible for both Android and iOS. Other methods to earn money with MyPoints include doing some or all of your shopping through them, seeking for special discounts through them, taking online surveys through them, playing games through them, and even checking out certain money-making mobile apps. Get paid by Netflix via Inbox Dollars. Inbox Bucks are one of the websites that pay you to view videos on the internet. Some sites pay you in cash, while others compensate you with gift cards. Some websites even pay their users via PayPal, which is a quick method of payment. To get paid through applications like Inbox Dollars, all you have to do is download the app and provide your information. You'd have to watch a few brief videos and then write down your comments on them. It's a website where viewers may leave their feedback on videos. This is not a fraud, as you can examine customer reviews of Inbox Dollars on iOS or Google Play Store. Inbox Dollars. Inbox dollars, like Swagbucks, allow you to earn money by completing surveys, clipping coupons, and other simple tasks. They also have a TV section where you may make money by watching videos. Food, news, celebrity, entertainment, technology, and health are among the categories. You may have to watch an ad or two before the main part of the video begins when you click on it. Each video has its own reward, which is usually quite a little, around 2 cents per video. You may be required to engage with the video or complete another task on occasion. That's why watching movies on Inbox dollars won't make you a lot of money. You can play a scratch and win game to get extra money after watching a set number of videos. Inbox dollars has a $1.30 minimum payout threshold. Because this can take a long time to earn, avoid relying on Inbox dollars for frequent payments. Viggle. Viggle is exclusively available as an app for both iPhone and Android users, unlike the other services on this list, which allow you to watch films on your desktop or laptop. After you've downloaded Viggle, you'll need to create an account and grant access to your location. This determines which shows you are permitted to view. If you live in Detroit, for example, you'll see local TV affiliates as well as national networks. You may also use the name of the software to find it. Unlike other websites and apps, Viggle allows you to watch genuine programming while also earning points for watching advertisements and commercials. These include shows from HBO, the Disney Channel, and AMP, among others. You can get retail gift cards or a prepaid cash gift card by redeeming points. Viggle doesn't make it plain how you can gain points, so don't waste hours on it if you don't get a big payout. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.